I've not seen anything worse than probably half a micron of repeatability on this machine, and it is absolutely fantastic. It makes my job an absolute dream.
Ryan, since our last visit to Original Gauge Company, you've got this new machine, the new Makino. Tell us all about it.
Yeah, so behind us, Joe, is the Makino U6i. Obviously, it's a much bigger machine prior to our U3. Offering us much bigger workspace for components, gauges, whatever that be. So the U6 now gives us on a X and Y 650 by 450 travel, and then in the Z it can go to 420. So a much bigger step from the U3, which is
There's some pretty big gauges.
Yeah, I mean, in terms of stability and stuff like that with the big gauges, I mean, obviously as being in wire EDM, it's all water temperature control, which really helps with the stability of bigger parts and components, whatever that would be.
And how do you find the control?
Control is very user friendly. So you've got two touchscreen panels. It's very, very unique in its own way. Everything has, you know, step-by-step tutorials, whether that's machine setup, maintenance, stuff like that. So yeah, it's great.
So engineers watching this video, they may be buying gauges from elsewhere. You know, this makes you unique, doesn't it? So why should they be coming to the Original Gauge Company?
Well, opposed from the old traditional methods, I mean, one really big thing is lead time. I mean, this machine offers us complete, you know, unmanned running overnight times, and that what that does is almost double our capacity just in that sense. You know, you're not working just normal shifts, manual. Or manual machinery, sorry.
And I know it's not just gauges you're making on here.
Yeah, so not too long ago we had a customer reach out to us. They identified they had a component part that they checked with our gauges that we supplied. Their component was not fit for use, so they had plus material. We were asked to see if we could rework the component, sorry. We were able to do that. It's very difficult with the geometry of gears. Obviously, with this technology behind us, it allowed us to basically clock in and refine the position of the spline itself. Obviously, they could have just gone and, you know, remade the part with the offsets, but obviously tight lead times. You know, the part was made out of titanium, which is very expensive. And obviously the tolerance that they were working to, they needed this part to get them out of the sticks. So yeah, we were able to help with that.
And in terms of accuracy, obviously EDM technology is exceptionally accurate, which is important for gauging. Yeah. But how accurate are you? You know, what sort of repeatability and how accurate are you getting?
Yeah. So obviously there's many different factors that come into it. Anyone can go buy a wire EDM and, you know, and hopefully trying to achieve, you know, 5-10 microns, something like that. What is really unique is the environment that the machine is in. It's all temperature controlled. Same with our laboratory behind us here, so the user friendliness of the temperature is great. Generally speaking, in terms of the accuracy, we can go down to anywhere from, you know, 2 to 3 microns depending on geometry. The repeatability is the main one. Obviously, if you've got batches of components, you want to know that they're all within a certain spec of each other. I've not seen anything worse than probably half a micron of repeatability on this machine, and it is absolutely fantastic. It makes my job an absolute dream, which is, you know, I'm very thankful for that, and yeah.
And obviously, it's a really clever process. I wish we could show everybody, but it's you know, in terms of process stability, reliability, tolerances, repeatability, how does that look?
Yeah, so obviously with the machine, we can work anywhere down to probably 2 to 3 microns of tolerance. In terms of repeatability, I mean, I've not seen anything come out of maybe half a micron. I mean, at absolute most. I mean, what it does for me, it just makes my life an absolute dream. You know, having that repeatability, especially if you've got component manufacture quantities, I mean, that is the big key thing. And you know, there's a lot of things that come into it, and it's not just about having the machine and the equipment. It's the mindset. It's having everything under a stable control. You know, I came out straight to college. I've been with OGC now for about 7 years. And that's just built. It's all I've ever known, and it's understanding what is a micron. How can you achieve that kind of accuracy? And it's, you know, with our processes, that's what makes it possible. And I hope appreciate other people can try and understand that too.
And I think that's one of the most important factors, isn't it? Typically people want gauging really, really quickly.
Yeah.
Sometimes components really, really quickly as well. And with traditional methods, it's just not possible.
No, it's just not. I mean, we try and base on a maximum of 3-week lead time. We have some different offers on that. We can go 48 hours, 7 days, whatever the customer needs.